So I'm at Home Goods because I need to get some stuff. You guys, I love Home Goods. Let me know if you know a better place. Ooh, here we are. So I am a sucker for baskets and I freaking love this. This is cute. I need this for my bathroom. I always wanted one of these cards. They are like so freaking cute. As you can see, it's $99. So I think I'm gonna get it. This, I usually get them from Amazon, but I see they have them in Home Goods. I never seen them in here before. So I am getting these 6 beer can glasses and I am excited because I love these. These are like my favorite glasses. Ooh, so I'm definitely getting this for my fruit. This is so cute. Look at this. I am definitely getting this. Let's see. Let's go and find some stuff for the kitchen. So they have this nice cute cutting board in here for $20. I am definitely getting it. I feel like that's a steal because this is a huge cutting board and it's only $20 freaking. So I got this cute little bag from Home Goods. I got my bag. And I am ready. This is Target. My favorite place to come. I love Target, let me tell you. I only gotta get a few things, but you guys know how those store runs go. Oh, look at Holly. I didn't even know they had a book. So I freaking love Whitney Houston and I am getting her record because my favorite song is on here, which is called I Wanna Dance With Somebody. Y'all, I used to kill this back in the day. I'm getting this. You can't cleanse without produce, so you guys know I had to drop by Kroger to get some fruit to juice today. I am so happy I can say that now. The Nama juicer has definitely saved me time and energy. It takes me less than 15 minutes to get a half a gallon and I love it. I know some of you guys have been asking for my promo code, but believe it or not, I am still waiting for them to finalize everything so that I can give you guys my code. I am so sorry for that delay. However, if you're wanting to get your juicer as soon as possible, I totally understand. I'm ready to get some stuff. I hope they have some good stuff today. So Goodwill, here we go. So Goodwill didn't have anything, but I just wanted to highlight that I will only be drinking water while I'm out because I usually just travel with my juice, but I'm trying to switch it up and I am drinking water. I think it's very important to take in water on your cleanse. So y'all know I can't travel without my little tote grocery bag. So we are heading in Aldi. We have water in here. Come on, I call this the fun aisle because there's so much stuff in here that I love and I'm about to go through it. Now let me tell you, this is freaking perfect because I just came out with my raw vegan cookbook and this is a wood recipe stand. This is freaking dope, like really freaking dope. These are cute little water bottles. I may get one because I think they're so freaking cute. Oh, I'm getting one. I'm getting this one. It matches my nails. Oh, it's really cute and it matches my nails. Look at that. It looks like a little Tic Tac. Oh, that's so cute. I love this. I'm getting this. This is cute too. It's like a wall lamp. I think that's cute, but I have so many lamps I don't need anymore. Ooh, so I know a lot of you guys have been asking where do I get my reusable mesh bags. I see they have them in Aldi. It's the exact same ones. I may get this. I'm probably gonna get this because I had mine so long and it's time for new ones, so I'm definitely getting it. officially on day 10 of my 21-day juice cleanse. I know you guys are probably thinking, why didn't I say something sooner? But on day 4, my daughter tested positive for strep, so I needed to get tested as well. And I did want to do a video on how my cleanse was going, if I was going to test positive and have to get on antibiotics, meaning that I need to eat. So I went and got tested on day 5, and luckily I was negative. Your girl is negative. So, you know, after that, things just got kind of crazy. But, you know, I am here now on day 10 to give you an update on how things are going. So far, so good. But there are some things that I want to tell you about that changed from when I initially told you guys that I was going on a 21-day juice cleanse. So number 1 is freaking IV therapy NAD plus. So I was doing that. You have to do it for a period of 5 days within a 10-day window, and I just couldn't take it. On day 3, it was like the pain that you have to go through to even get the therapy. It's not my thing. I was not feeling it. I had stomach cramps, I had headaches, I had body aches a little bit. It was just entirely too much. Now, don't get me wrong. After the session is over, you know, those symptoms almost fade away, you know, immediately. Some of them may take a little, you know, maybe 15 minutes afterwards at the most. But, you know, they do fade away. So basically, I had to sit there for 3 hours, and then they go up on your dose. So I went from 250 milligrams to 500 milligrams, and 500 was on day 3. And after day 3, I was like, yep, I'm not for it. I can't do it. Like, I can't do it. I am a little upset because I do feel like I lost money, which no, I actually lost money. So let's not say I feel like I lost money. I did lose money. So I lost money, and it was expensive. I don't even want to tell you guys how much I paid for it, but it was expensive. And so that's something that I would never do again, because I'm not a person that could like anticipate pain every single day for 5 days. And I thought the pain was going to be minor, but it really wasn't. It was so bad to the point where I had to change the drip, if that makes sense. So how quickly it was dripping, and that extended the time. So I was in there like 3 hours, 3.5 hours, and that's just too long to be sitting. I just wasn't feeling that. Okay, so the difference between my 90-day juice cleanse and what I'm experiencing now is the excitement. Like, I know that sounds crazy, but, you know, in retrospect, I really enjoyed my 90-day juice cleanse. Although I hated the fact that I had to spend hours juicing because I had a centrifugal juicer, still, I enjoyed it. I had fun because I didn't know what to expect, and that was the excitement. With this cleanse, I know what to expect, and so it was boring. The past 10 days was boring. Like, it's like, okay, here come the headaches. Okay, I know what's next. It was kind of like that. So I hate that the excitement is gone. Although I love the fact that it definitely boosts your energy, and it also lowers the inflammation in your body. And this is what I want to focus on real quick, because I know a lot of people, you know, like to talk about specific illnesses like maybe lupus or high blood pressure or things like that, and what to do to fix that. Me personally, I feel I like addressing diseases entirely as inflammation. It's just a better way to like understand what's happening in the body. It doesn't matter what name you put on it, it's inflammation. You know what I'm saying? It's somewhere in your body, and it's causing problems. When it comes to juice cleansing, I love the fact that it lowers the inflammation in your body, and that's for any illness you're dealing with. Like, it naturally lowers the inflammation in your body because you're not putting anything toxic in your body and adding to it. I just feel like we make things so complicated these days when it comes to healing, and it's really, really simple. You know, it's all about what you remove from your diet, not what you put in your diet. And I think a lot of people tend to focus on, well, I need to add this, and I need broccoli, and I need, hemp seeds, and I need, all of these different things. I need apples, I need oranges, I need pineapples, I need cilantro. All of these things are great, just to have a variety of fruits and vegetables in your diet. But what really helps you heal is what you remove from your diet. And I think people need to focus more on that. Like when it comes to juice cleansing, it's not about, the minerals and the vitamins that you're putting in your body or what it's doing to your body. It's really about allowing your body to get nutrients while you're fasting, and giving your digestive system a rest and allowing your body to heal itself without taking in anything toxic, without having to worry about digesting your food. And that's what it's really all about. I love that, juice fasting allows you to get to that point of where you can go 90 days or 100 days, just juicing. On a water fast, you can't really do that. But when it comes to juicing, the luxury of that is you have vitamins, you have minerals, you are hydrated. So that's the benefits of it, because you get to extend that water fast, you know what I mean? Or that liquid fast. You get to extend that for a prolonged period of time to allow your body more time to just heal itself. It's not about, just juicing in itself. It's really about what you eliminate and how long you eliminate those items until your body gets to do what it needs to do. So that's something I just wanted to talk about a little bit, because I think a lot of us have it backwards about, what we need to do when it comes to healing. It's all about what you remove, not what you add in. Don't get me wrong, adding stuff in is highly beneficial. Depends on what you add in, especially when you're talking about herbs and certain vegetables like cilantro. It's really good. It's a blood cleanser. So, don't get me wrong, those things are important to incorporate. However, when you're talking about healing in itself and holistically, it's really about what you remove and not what you add in, if that makes sense. It's more heavyweight on what you remove versus what you add in. I think that's a better way of saying it. I am not craving any foods this time around. Keep in mind, I am still healing from the passing of my dad. So, a lot of times my appetite is just lost. Sometimes I don't even want to drink juice, but I know I need to because of the vitamins, the minerals, the calories that I need in my body. Even though this is a 21-day juice cleanse, it's not really that long. So I'm not really focused on the 6-liter thing right now. Although I do take in about 5 liters though a day. So I'm not even gonna lie. It's close to it, but I'm not really focus on 6 liters like I was on my 90-day juice cleanse, because that was a little bit longer and I needed the calories and I didn't want to lose any more weight. So right now, the weight that I'm at, I probably gained a solid 10 pounds since my cleanse, since I got off my 90-day juice cleanse, and it had nothing to do with me just eating raw foods. I will talk about that in my next video on the reason why, but I can afford to lose 5 pounds, to be honest, 5 or 10 pounds. I'm okay with that. Like, I wouldn't say 10 pounds, maybe like 8 pounds, okay? 7 to 8 pounds. I can afford to lose that, and I'm not really tripping about 21 days. It's really not that long to me because I started off doing a 90-day juice cleanse. But if this is your first time, I could see how this may seem forever. But for me, it's really not. So it's a lot of things that I'm not really so much concentrated on like I was on my 90-day juice cleanse. Like, that was a different experience. But this is an affordable lifestyle. It doesn't have to be expensive. And I think that's something we promote as well. It doesn't have to be expensive. I just rolled out my low budget raw vegan cookbook if you want to check it out. It's so many different ways that you can do things to heal your body and still be on a budget. So that's something that I just wanted to throw out there, because I know a lot of you guys find it to be difficult because of money. And I totally understand. I've been there so many days during my 90-day juice cleanse, and through trial and error, I just figured some things out. Even with being raw, I just kind of figured some things out when it comes to my meals. Like, can I just focus on my nutrients and not so much on the foods that I'm taking in? So when I started just, like tailoring my meals based on nutrients, I was able to kind of save more money, because I realized what I could buy and what I could put in a meal that fits into this budget that I have daily for grocery. So it doesn't have to be difficult at all. Just don't think of it that way. So the number one thing everybody wants to talk about on a juice cleanse is constipation. So let me tell you, a couple of years ago, I got colonics at a spa, and I thought it was going to be the best experience ever. I thought it was going to be so relaxing. It wasn't. I hated it. I felt uncomfortable the entire time. So recently I just tried enemas, and enemas, it's not my favorite. I feel uncomfortable and I don't want to force myself to do something that makes me feel uncomfortable. So I decided to start drinking tamarind juice because it's a natural laxative and it really helps move your bowels. So I love that. And that's what I've been drinking on this cleanse, and it's been helping a lot. So if you're looking for something other than enemas, definitely try tamarind juice. I always get mine from H Mart because they always have it. I can rely on them to have it. So yeah, try tamarind juice if you're not into enemas. I just wanted to talk to you guys about that because I know a lot of people have questions about the constipation part of it, and that's just my personal feedback on it when it comes to things. But I do feel like enemas is probably the most effective choice. So if you want to do enemas, go for it. But if you're uncomfortable with it, try tamarind juice. Some of the things I'm doing differently now that I didn't do on my 90-day juice cleanse is I'm not taking in 6 liters consistently. Some days I take in 6 liters, some days I don't. It depends on the mood because it's only 21 days and not 90. I don't supplement. I have supplemented, but it wasn't for the purpose of my cleanse. It really was me trying to vlog my journey and let you guys know how it's going as far as getting that. Plus, and juice cleansing, I want to give you guys my review on that, but you know, I couldn't stick it through, and I'm not going to be ashamed of it because it's not for everybody, and it wasn't for me. Maybe I need to take it in pill form versus, you know, IV therapy. I think I need to stick with that when it comes to NAD plus because baby, I don't have time for the symptoms. Okay, it's bad enough I'm on a cleanse. You want to add that to it? No, baby, I can't do it. I can't do it. And I know you guys are probably thinking my background is so different. It is because I'm chilling in my daughter's room and she's so upset right now because over the past 3 days I took her room over. So I need to give it back before, you know, she becomes extremely upset about it, but she'll be all right. I'm just in here temporarily. I just love chilling in her room sometimes. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on how things are going. I will be checking back in the next day or two to let you guys know, you know, what I'm doing, how it's going again, and if I'm into anything new, because I want to keep you guys updated. And if you are on a juice cleanse, please drop a comment. I want to know where you are, what day you're on, if you're supplementing, what you're doing for constipation. I want to know all of that because really the comments really help a lot of people, you know, through their journey as well, because you guys start, you know, conversations that I didn't even mention, you know what I mean, that may be helpful to someone else. So if you want to talk about anything or share anything about your journey that I may or may not have covered, please drop a comment so we can start that conversation. And I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.